For the Texas Functional Living Scale, I'm going to be administering the subscale of time, which is going to assess an individual's ability to read and use clocks and calendars. I'll be doing item 1 through 5, but first I'm just going to do items 1 through 3, which focuses on the calendar. So for this subscale, I'm just going to need a calendar. So here we go. Alright, Chip, can you tell me what day of the week is this?
Thursday.
What date is this?
June 17th.
What Monday of the month is this?
It's the third Monday.
Good job. For the purpose of scoring, you're going to be using the record form. You're going to put the examinee's name, which would be Chip Keith, examiner, Chandler Edge, the date, the examinee's birthday, if she was male or female, and then you're going to provide the current living situations of the examinee. For the purpose of this video, I administered the time subscale, and I did items 1 through 3, which required the calendar. To begin, I placed the calendar open to the month of June in front of Chip. I pointed to any Thursday on the calendar and I asked, what day of the week is this? Which Chip responded, Thursday. Because she provided the appropriate response, I would write Thursday in the response line, and since it was right, I would give her a score of. For the second question, I pointed to the 17th day of the month of June and asked, what date is this? To which Chip responded, the 17th. Because she responded correctly, I would write the 17th in the response line and again give her a score of 1. For the third question, I pointed to the third Monday of the month and I asked, what Monday of the month is this? Chip responded with the third Monday, and again, because it was correct, I would write the third Monday on the response line and give her a score of 1. To score the assessment, you will add up the total score for each subscale. So for time, money and calculation, communication, and memory, and you will add the total points for time and you'll put it into the raw score box. You will do the same with the money and calculation, the communication, and the memory. Once you have all of these boxes filled out, you'll add them up, which will give you your TFLS total raw score. Once you've completed the raw score, you will complete the subscale cumulative percentage. In order to do this, you will locate table A.1 in your manual, which is the cumulative percentages of subscale total raw scores. In order to calculate your percentage, you're going to take your raw score from each subscale and compare it to the table. So for example, if your raw score for time is 8, you will go to the cumulative percentages table and you will locate 8 under time. There it is. So, because you located 8, your cumulative percentage for time is going to be 51 through 75. You will repeat for both money and calculation, communication, and memory. And once you have your subscale cumulative percentage, you will be done with that section. Once you have completed the subscale cumulative percentage, you will go back to the TFLS total. You will then find table A.2 in your manual, which is the T-score equivalent of TFLS total raw score. Once you've located this table, you will compare your TFLS total raw score to the chart, which will help you find your TFLS T-score. For example, if your total raw score is 43, you will locate 43 on the chart under raw score, and you'll see that the T-score for 43 is 40. Once you have identified your TFLS T-score, you will record it in this box right here and then flip to Chapter 4 in your manual for interpretation guidelines.